game. It's a rich thing.
All right, we are back again, another day. This has been like this is on day 3 of the full Aspec install, so we don't know if we're gonna put it one video or not, but we are back, part 2 maybe. We're gonna do the rear. He got the spoiler, but we're gonna be doing the rear lip first. It's gonna be cake. We're gonna be removing the front bumper. Never done that on an ILX before, so we're gonna be removing it and seeing what we got to do to remove it. So it looks like it might just be just like a TL one. So you got 2 screws by the tail light, and then you can unclip it, and then take the clips under the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna pop this. You want to borrow a sweater? So basically, we're gonna be pulling off right here, and all the clips under, and it should just come right off. I think maybe just a screw under here, if anything. So. All right, so we're gonna take off got one screw here just for the fender well. We're gonna take that off, make sure it's not connected to the bumper at all, and we might have to take off that one on that side. We might not even need to take it off, but just in case, we'll take this one off. All right, so there's a screw right there, you can see it. Once you peel back this, we just took off one screw here, and we're gonna do that on both sides. All right, there's another one up there, we're gonna take off 2. All right, so we went ahead, took off all the retaining clips all around, so this thing is loose as hell, and then we're going to see what else we need to do. He did mask it off like the instruction says, so we don't scratch nothing, but I think you're supposed to do this on all TLs, but he's just being stupid, naive. I'm just kidding. But look at him, he has no freaking sweater on. It's freaking windy out here. He's taking off the one connector holding on to this bumper.
And you got a flashlight. This shit's all gunky.
Alright, once we take that off, this bumper will come right off. All we do is pull it. Honestly, there's only, I think, one screw you had to take off. You had to take off both of them. It holds this guard on, which is, I don't know where it's at right now, but yeah, so we'll be back after we take off this clip. Let's remove the diffuser extensions. So there's 2. I wonder if that's what fell out right there. I wonder if that's the fuse extension. I think it was. I'm feeling this was a diffuser extension they were talking about. That went right here. Yeah, I think we already removed it, so that's good. This side doesn't even have one. So let's keep on continuing. Now we're going to be marking, there's 3 holes on each side. Actually, we'll put it this way.
Yeah, you're good. Wipe it off so you can see them?
Yeah, so you can see one right here, one right here, and then there might be another one, so we're going to have to figure that one out.
Okay, where's that? What'd you say?
Wipe down there too, the very bottom, yep. There's one right there.
Hella dirty.
Alright, let me poke it. So we actually got a thumbtack this time, like it told me. So I got a thumbtack and I'm gonna do this. Alright, so we did on both sides. You got one here, one right there, one in there, and one down here. We did both sides already. We're gonna go ahead and drill it out. It tells you the exact sizes you want. It's just sort of with 3mm, 8mm, 3 to 6, 8 to 10, blah blah blah. But we're just gonna go straight to small, to the right size, which is, I don't know what size this is. Basically you just want to get it a little bit bigger than the hole here, and then that's it.
Yeah, because that's the right side.
So now we're going to draw out those holes that we marked. Now I'll be right back. Alright, we're just going to test fit it real quick. So we got that hole in there. Line up the, okay, boom boom boom, and let's take a look at it real quick.
Okay.
And
what is it called?
there we go. That's how it goes. This clip lines up.
Make sure it's all the way scooted the fuck up.
No, this clip lines up. This lines it up. Right here, this clip.
Okay.
Because you can feel the metal bracket right under. So, alright, let's look at it.
And then look at the clip goes right here, right?
Yep, you see?
You might have to blow it out a little more, to be honest.
Blow what?
For that bottom one. Because look at it, it's a little too small.
No, we want it to be tight. We'll put that clip on first right now. But all right, just a test fit. But look how nice that is. Very subtle. Very subtle. All right, so he already wiped it down with alcohol. We got the screws. We are ready to start putting it on. It's very simple. It's just removing the tabs and sticking it back in there just like the front. So we're gonna go ahead and remove a piece of that.
To where we can grab it.
And then that one could come off completely.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and now put it on.
Line it up. Okay, ready? Okay.
Pick that. Yeah, make sure. Yeah. Oh, okay, you're good.
Okay.
Shove it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line up actually these bottom ones first, like that.
Right.
And we're gonna put those clips in. So we got one here. We're gonna put this clip in. And then we're gonna do this back one over here.
You have to screw it.
All right.
So it expands, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, you got it. Yeah.
Just like that. You can see. Okay, so that's lined up, that's lined up. We're gonna put this so he could pull off the tabs in the sticker and he could shove it in as he goes, and we're gonna tighten up these with the last bit of the clips. So we got two clips right here on, and then it's on. So let's take a look.
What'd I break? I
Nothing?
don't like how this little rubber piece doesn't cover this corner.
It does.
No, it doesn't. Look, you see it comes out a little bit. It's like fucking...
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh my god.
She's getting in your car.
Just don't mess it up. Just don't mess up it. Alright, so one side done. We'll go ahead and do the other side.
You trying to push in the rubber?
I don't know what he's doing. He's gonna mess it up. You scratched it? Wow.
Yeah, that looks a little bit better. No, it's because this looks like it doesn't cover it all the way, but it's because it's rounded, you know? It's not like corner. It looks better though.
That's after. This is before.
Well, yeah, I told you, fool. So this is...
So we're gonna go ahead and knock this side out and we'll continue the video.
Yeah!
Alright, we're gonna reinstall this and we'll get back to you guys when we do the trunk. Just like that. Bumper is on. Looks good. Looks good. Next we're gonna do the trunk, and that's gonna be pretty fun. We'll see how that goes.
Alright, I'll do it first.
Alright, next what we're doing is the trunk, and obviously we're gonna have to probably remove this liner out to get access to it. So this one, let's see what we gotta do.
I'll put on my push right here, right?
Open the trunk lid and remove each trunk lid hinge cover. So we're gonna take off the two side ones, all the clips from the back.
Bro, these are way easier than the bottom one.
That spoiler, you can skip some steps, but we don't have no spoiler, so we're gonna have to do it because he bought the base model ILX.
This is the premium base model, damn it.
Yeah,
Basically an Aspec.
so if the vehicle, you could with a spoiler already, but if not, we're gonna go to step 8 because we don't have step 8. Bubbles, it came. We got the little template tool that it came with, so we got that here, just like here. I'm gonna continue now. So using an alcohol wipe, it probably provided one. So it says 2 adhesive, 2 seals. I'm not too sure on this one. Oh, it just wants you to clean the area. That's what we're doing. So this is the attachment box we got here. Let's open this up. So it has the adhesive little block dots, the clips, the materials. Let's see what else it came with. Came with new rods because this is going to be heavier now. These are, I guess, heavier duty rods. We got to be putting it in also. All right, and then here's the spoiler, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and take these alcohol wipes off this. And basically we're just going to wipe down this whole area right now.
No.
All right, so we have the holes marked. We use these. They're kind of complicated to use, but you line up the first one right here, and you line up this like right here. And you mark the two circles, which we did. So we got that done. Next, we're gonna find a 3mm socket set, drill set, and start drilling out those holes. This one is a little bit more complicated because you got to get the spoiler. You got to kind of get on perfect. So we're gonna do our best to get it on perfect. And show them what you did because we don't have the right tool.
At first we used this, but it started bending the metal, so we had to use the.
It should be in there, right?
We had to use the step bit right here.
And we
just
just
5/16.
Yeah, we used a 5/16 at the very tip only. Reamed it out just a little bit, and we're good now. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the tape and pop the trunk. Put the spoiler on there. We got a spoiler in, took the tape off. Now we're gonna open up the trunk and tighten up the 10 mils that it provided.
What is this?
More goo. And then
Acura.
where do we see it at? Right here. You can see one on inside here, and then do the other one on the other side.
Springs on.
Oh yeah.
These new brackets.
So we got this need to do still.
The wing's on there though. Secure. I ain't going nowhere.
Secure, fully on there. Put 10 mils. We just gotta put all the covers back on. But that's a full Aspec install on this thing. It's been a couple of days, so it's kind of dirty, but
Yeah, it kind of rained, you know. Looks pretty good though.
that looks
It has
good.
a little black.
I like that black trim.
accent. Next is the. That shit fucked my nail up. Son of a bitch. You gotta pull this little piece right here. You have a screwdriver? Flathead?
Yeah.
Or just tap pull it?
Alright, next we pull this piece out from under here. You gotta take that as just a lever on right here, this little tab. Got that out. Next we gotta take off these clips in here or release it. Just like what he's doing. Yep, just like that. You got that released, so he's gonna release this one.
Okay.
Just like that. Alright, so once you release those,
Make sure you gotta pull the trunk down a little bit though.
you think so?
Yeah, because it reduces the tension.
Gloves and protect your hands. Remove the trunk spring from both the lid hinges from left and with the trunk spring tool.
You need like a tool to pull it. I would say close it, we can pull it from the inside.
So we gotta pull it back out. Alright, let's see what we gotta do. So we ended up using a cutoff wheel to cut off these hinges because I don't know how the hell you get them on, but putting them on should be easier, so.
My boy, how are you even gonna get to this one? This one's higher.
Cut it.
Cut it like right here or what?
Anywhere.
I'm fucking scared, dude.
Just cut it. Hurry up. You're gonna get charged by the hour. Let's go.
Ooh. I don't want to cut the. Oh, look, I'm cutting my fucking. I can't hold it either. Fuck. What the fuck happened there?
Hurry up. What are you doing?
Oh shit. There you go. Leave it like that. Leave it like that. Go down more. Go down more.
Oh, this might be heavy then. I'm gonna go on your side.
Here, hold the trunk. Yeah, hold the trunk. Dude, this shit's scaring the shit out of me. Get it down a little bit. Ooh, what did I do? Touched it?
Got it?
No, it didn't break yet.
Oh shit.
The trunk's hella heavy. I just didn't want to cut this. Look, I cut it too much. A little bit.
Alright.
It's alright, though.
So this is the new one? I mean, this is the old one.
one, yeah.
Alright, it went this direction, right?
Yeah. That shit burned me.
Alright, so we need that one
Which
now.
one's this one? This one's the yellow one? That's the yellow one? I don't know.
Yeah.
So which one did? Don't know. It goes this way. Cause look at the hooks on that side.
All right, we're gonna put these in. I don't know how yet, so
Is
we'll
it the
figure it
same
out.
one?
Do a walk around. I didn't do a walk around because it got too dark, but let's do a walk around with the video, just to show you a before and then an after.
Yeah, don't mind the dirtiness. It's dirty. The paint marks.
And here's the
Correct.
front. It's before the lip kit and the fog lights. So Aspec lip installed all around.
Looks more beefy now.